Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use La Roche-Posay Effaclar Micro Peeling Purifying Gel Cleanser, which is suitable for normal to oily breakout prone skin. And this cleanser contains 2% of salicylic acid, which is an exfoliant, which then helps to let go of the dead skin cells on the skin surface. It is able to unclog pores, regulates oiliness, and it has some anti-inflammatory properties, which then results in a reduction in breakouts over time and when continuously using it. Now you can use this cleanser twice per day daily, meaning in the morning as well as evening. However, if that frequency is going to be too much for your skin, you can reduce it to once per day daily or just use it once per day every other day. You need to test it and see what frequency works best for you. Now, if you're going to use it less often than twice per day daily, you can alternate between the exfoliating acid cleanser and a non-exfoliating acid cleanser that's suitable for your normal to oily skin. Now, when using this cleanser, it is advised to apply to wet skin. Now, when using water, remember to use lukewarm water to warm water, which is around body's temperature, but avoid hot water, otherwise it may dry out your skin. Now, I'm going to get started by splashing some water onto my face as well as wetting my hands, and then we are going to massage the cleanser all over. Let's do this. Then dispense about 1 pump onto the palm of your hand or fingertips, which is about a coin size amount. About that much. Then rub your hands together and then massage it all over your face and neck for about 30 seconds. You can use it around your eyes as well as on top of your lip. However, make sure to not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth. And if sensitivity should occur around the eyes, well, then avoid the eye area by the next time. Now rinse it off. When washing your face above the sink, using your hands alone may not be enough to properly remove the cleanser from the skin. Therefore, I recommend using a soft, clean washcloth, which you're going to wet, then squeeze it out, and then use a damp washcloth to remove the last traces of your cleanser. Now, the cloth can also be used to remove any last traces of your sunscreen and or makeup. Now recommend rinsing again. And then take a clean towel and gently pat all over to remove the excess water drops from the skin surface to ensure proper layering, absorption, and avoiding sensitivities when then continuing with the rest of your skincare routine. After your cleansing step, you can stop right here and leave it as it is, or follow with your usual morning or evening skincare routine. However, if you're currently looking into setting up a skincare routine and you want to get an idea of what it can look like, maybe even keeping the main focus towards La Roche-Posay products, well, I have prepared for you some examples. But before that, let me emphasize what should not be used in the same routine when using this cleanser, as it is an exfoliating acid cleanser. This would be, first of all, do not use this cleanser when using already a leave-on exfoliating acid toner or serum. I recommend using either one of them, or if you want to use both, use them on different days to make sure that your skin has enough breaks in between to recover from it, otherwise you can end up with sensitivities. The same would also apply when using an exfoliating acid mask. Please do not use this cleanser before using your exfoliating acid mask. Instead, work with a non-exfoliating acid cleanser. And lastly, in case you want to work with a retinol, retinal, or retinoid, please do not use them in the same routine. Use either one in the morning and then a non-exfoliating acid cleanser with your retinol or retinoid in the evening, or you're going to use them on different days. But please do not use them in the same routine to avoid irritation. And this is primarily it when it comes to the conflicts. Now I want to head into my example morning and evening skincare routine, keeping the main focus towards La Roche-Posay products. Now the morning skincare routine can look something like this, where after your cleansing step you may want to hydrate and plump the skin with a hyaluronic acid serum, and then follow on with either their vitamin C or niacinamide treatment to boost collagen production to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and fade hyperpigmentation. Just remember that if you have sun exposure, to follow with your sunscreen afterwards. The evening skincare routine can look pretty much the same, just without the sunscreen step, but instead you may want to replace it with a moisturizer that's very lightweight and suitable for your normal to oily breakout prone skin. However, when it comes to the cleansing step, in your evening skincare routine, you may need to adjust it depending on the sunscreen that you have used in the morning, or if you have worn makeup throughout the day. Then my best advice would be using an oil or balm cleanser before using the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Micro Peeling Cleanser, as that one isn't meant to take off your sunscreen and or makeup. To do a double cleanse to ensure that everything comes properly off the skin. Now, if you want to go over the example skincare routines in your own time, I have everything for you in a PowerPoint. And after the example routines, you'll find the product description box part where I have listed all the products, which you can read through and see for whom it is suitable and what they specifically do for you. And based on that, you're going to adjust it if you want to recreate a routine at home, as well as some general skincare tips. Now you'll find the entire PowerPoint in the description box down below, and you can even save it to your device if you want to recreate it at home. Now I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about skincare products and how you can properly use them, head on to my YouTube channel. There you will find much more. And I will see you there. Happy skincaring!